Hi Team Fullest. Let me just use this opportunity that I have today. So I have been collecting a lot of stuff from AliExpress and Zalando. I still haven't received everything yet, so that's the reason I haven't come here and do a video about the things that I picked up from AliExpress. But I picked up some few dresses from AliExpress. I have these beautiful white dresses. I have like 1, 2, 3, yeah. This is 4 AliExpress, 5 AliExpress, 6 AliExpress. I have Zalando here. Yeah, I got Zalando here and AliExpress here. So I still have few more. I still have I think 3 more. I think I still have 3 outfits more that I need to receive. So I want, when I receive all of those outfits, and then I'll come and do AliExpress / Zalando outfits, because I just want to wait, because I feel like sometimes when I buy stuff and I do little by little, it's just annoying, and I just want to wait. That's the reason I haven't wear any of these dresses. I haven't done anything. I also pick up this hat from AliExpress. This one I'll definitely show you, because I have something similar like this that I have underneath my bed. I can't actually raise the bed right now. I think I have it in yellow. I think in yellow, in orange, like dark orange, and in green. I don't know, but I pick up the brown one. This one is in brown. So you guys know, for the fall, I love me some brown. So I picked this brown, and I also picked it in black. I also picked this one in black as well. So this is the black, this is the brown, and I really love the color, like this coffee brown. It looks very, very beautiful. I love it. It looks so cool. I just love the way it looks so beautiful. I picked this one up, and I also picked up the black one. Yes, I also pick up the black one. The black one is beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Yes, like this. It's just so beautiful. Like, wow, I love it. I actually love it. So these are the only 2 that I'm going to show you for now, and then the rest we have to wait. I think I have multiple of this cap. I don't want to mess things here, but if I raise this bed, I feel like I'm, because I have a bunch of stuff lying down here on the bed. But I do have other colors of this one. Should I show you guys everything? Should I? Yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything. Let's pack everything on this bed so I can show you guys all the cap. And I actually pick up the one that I have also. I actually picked them from AliExpress a long time ago. And so let me show you those. Let me clear this now. Let me show you all the caps. I've shown you guys the brown and the black. I also have it in yellow. Yes, even though I've never actually wear this yellow, but I also have it in yellow. And I have it in, it's like an orange, but like a dark orange. I also have it in orange, which is very beautiful. I love the colors. They're really beautiful. I also have it in orange. I don't know, for no reason I picked this up, and I think I've worn this one. This is the only one that I've wear a long time ago. I haven't wear any of the other colors. I also have it in green and in like a reddish burgundy color. So yeah, these are all the colors that I have, and for no reason I'm just obsessed with this cap. Even though I don't wear them a lot, but I'm just obsessed. I'm just so obsessed in all of the colors. They just look so beautiful. They look so nice. So these are all the colors that I have, and I really like it. Tell me if you guys have like any outfits idea. Please let your girl know, okay? Because I am really like sometimes I pick things up and I really like stuff, but then I'm like, I'm just so in my comfort space. Like the outfit that I like, I just stick in my comfort zone. But I really love stuff like this. It looks really beautiful. It looks really, really nice, and I really, really love it. So guys, this is it. This are the cap. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6 cap. I can't wait to style them. I feel these are really nice colors for the fall. A really beautiful color, especially this brown and this black and this. Of course, all the colors are very beautiful. It all depends on how you style them. So let me know what you guys think. If these ones I picked them like years ago. I'm not gonna lie, like years ago, maybe like 2-3 years ago. I picked this one up, these colors, these ones. If I still can find the link, I will try and put it for you guys in the description box. If not, I know these two are new. I will try and put these two in the description box, because the quality between these ones and this one are not the same. This one, they were a little bit expensive. The quality, these ones are more like strong. This one is more like I don't know. This one is more, the quality of this one is much better. The black is a little bit strong, but the brown, it's just like very, very soft. So the quality between between these 4 and these 2 are actually not the same, because I get them from a different store. But I actually really love it. It looks so beautiful. It looks really, really nice. So I just want to come here and share this with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. And if you guys have any outfit style that you feel like, okay, because green yellow to wear them, I don't know. But if you guys have like any cool outfit style, okay, let me know. Or you can send me a picture of a cool outfit that you think that will match this cap. Send me in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is in the description box. Contact me there. Send me ideas, pictures of outfits on how to style this. I will highly, highly appreciate it. So TeamFullest, I just want to come and share with you guys my cap that I never wear. So yeah, if you guys have a cool outfit idea, let me know, and I'll hope to see you all on my next video. TeamFullest, I want to say a massive thanks to all of you. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for your love, your support. Some of you guys that connect with me on WhatsApp, feel free to connect with me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description box. If you have any questions, follow me on Instagram. Your girl is trying to grow the Instagram. Follow your girl on Instagram and on my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. TeamFullest, heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en understanding. Ik waardeer het echt waar. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op Instagram en op mijn Facebookpagina. Alle links staan in de beschrijvingsbox. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. TeamFullest! Peace out. Bye!